Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have an amazing day. Today's video we are going to do, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Unboxing! And let's get started and let me show you what I got this time. Oh, it's been so long, my goodness. Okay, so it's definitely been a very long time I done any unboxing. In fact, I have not really spent any money on either luxury goods or cosmetics and skincare. Even when Sephora is having sale, Neiman Marcus 25% off, I bought 0 item. Did I? Yeah, I didn't really buy anything. It's just because I don't know, sometimes I just go through the stage that I'm not spending any money. But then I feel like, well, there's one bag I really want, 2 bags actually, and that it's so hard to find. Even my salesperson told me that it's just so hard to find. It's even harder to get, harder than getting showpiece, believe it or not. So let me show you what I got. You're just gonna be like, seriously, right? Okay. I got this online. I have to check, ta-da, Louis Vuitton, right? I have to check online literally every day, 3 times a day, and try to see if this item is available. Because most of the item, if it's not available, Louis Vuitton website give you an option called notify me when the item is available. And this one, there's no option for that. Just say not available. Call for availability, but I never call it then. So I just keep on checking, and one day this pop up, so I just order right away. So this is the box. One thing you probably notice where is the ribbon? Due to the COVID-19, Louis Vuitton tried to limit the human contact, so the ribbon is not being used on the box, but I think it's inside the box. That's what they say. Oh yes, the ribbon is here. Okay, and then this is the item I purchased. As you can see, it's a small piece. It's not a big piece right here. And then where's the receipt? Here. Before I show you the bag, I want to show you something really cool. I think this is the first time I ordered direct online, so it's very interesting. In the receipt, let me show you. Obviously, they give you exchange return policy right here, tell you what to do step by step. But what's really cool is that I went ahead to print the return label if you want to return an item. I think that's very thoughtful, so I don't have to worry about that. And then they give you the actual receipt, the item that you purchased, and then this is just a thank you cards right here. So I thought it was very nice that they did that. Not like I'm going to return, because it take me 2 months every day try to find this bag, so not going to return. Alright, are you ready to see this? Look at this. This is the Louis Vuitton Nano Noe. N-O-E. I think I pronounced that right. It's a drawstring bag basically. This bag, if you're into Louis Vuitton, you know it's not a very very luxury item for Louis Vuitton. The price is actually quite affordable for Louis Vuitton. It's still very expensive, don't get me wrong, okay? But just in the Louis Vuitton collection for handbag, this is actually not too bad. And the other very important thing is, it is so popular. Everyone wants to have this, and the resale value is actually pretty high too. So it's always good for me. It's not like I'm trying to sell the bag to make money, but I do want to buy something that actually retains somewhat value, because you never know, right? So you gotta be smart on your money a little bit. So this bag is a nano bag. The size is the length is about 5.1 inches. High is about 5.9, almost 6 inches. The wide is about 3.5 inches. And it is the iconic monogram. And inside, to make it close to show you, it's just like that. Okay. The thing is, I wish, obviously, because what you pay, the strap is tied on the knot here, so it's not removable. But that's okay. It's basically just a drawstring bag with a little hole right here. Let's see. And this is the drawstring. Very skinny, very long. I'm going to show you some picture of me wearing this bag here. I always want something it's not super luxury or super delicate to wear. I just wanted to put it up, what do you call it? I just want something to put on my shoulder and just leave. And I think this could be a perfect one for me. Super lightweight. It is very small, so we're gonna try to put stuff in there, see would it hold it. Before I show it, I do want to let you know that the other item I really want to buy is the Nano Speedy. Everybody's talking about it, and that I have no luck. And you know what? I don't want to pay more to get something I can order online. To me, that doesn't make sense. If it's something that it's not available anymore, I don't mind paying more to get it, but it's still available, just hard to get. So I refuse to pay more money for that. And I refuse to pay the same price, get for the second hand. I'd rather get for the, the new item for the same price. And plus, I want it, and I can wait, I have time. So I'm going to continue, try to wait for the Speedy Nano. If you guys had a chance to buy it online, let me know how did you do it. I have my essay to look into it. She just said no luck right now. Oh my god, I really want that. Okay, but by the way, to show you kind of a little bit here. So the Nano bag here is a little strap right here on both sides. And then this is the base. See that? And the inside. And where is this made of? Usually it's made in, oh, wow, it's actually made in France. That was kind of cool. Okay, now, let's see how much stuff I can put in this little tiny bag, okay? Okay, so let's see. So this is my origami. Not origami. Oh my god, I forgot the name. I think it's origami, yeah, Louis Vuitton origami, isn't it? Everyone hold, please let me try to find the bag. I got it. I really, for small leather goods, I think since 2 years ago, I totally fall in love with the Karigami. Karigami, yes. And I don't like the big one, I like the medium one, and I like the card holder size. Card holder size I've been using to hold my credit cards, and I think this is perfect for me to hold cash. The medium size I use to hold my AirPods and my fragrance. So this is the one I normally carry, and the credit cards. So let's put it in here. And obviously I need my car keys with all off, need to be in there. And since I'm on a diet, so I always carry my Optavia fueling with me just in case I need it. Then I need to make sure my phone goes in here. What else? Oh, sanitizer and mask. So I have a disposable mask. I also have the regular mask just in case I need it. But I don't have a special cover, so I put a mask in my small little good dust bag. So I just put it all in here. Let's see what this all fits. I ordered an insert, but the insert's not here yet. Once it's here, I will do a little quick review on Instagram to show you guys. Okay. Everything fit right in. See, you can't even see it. However, if I put stuff this high, you can see all the way to the edge of the bed. The drawstring doesn't work anymore, because the drawstring for them to work, I kind of need to make sure they go a little lower, but that's okay. So, just like that. What do you think? I think this is really, really cute. I think I'm going to use this a lot, but I'm definitely going to wait for my insert. And I forgot the company I ordered from, but I will share that on my Instagram once it's arrived. And then that can protect the bag a little bit. But overall, I think this is super cute. Oh, try it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is actually a perfect size. It's right here. And of course, I'm going to dress this up a little bit. I will show some picture and how I style the bag on my Instagram, so definitely check out Mr. Genoyan to see the style for this. So again, I never worked so hard to find a Louis Vuitton bag. I think this is even harder to get. Supreme, seriously. Supreme was a phone call, I got it. This one had to be online like every single day. Thank God, stay home, right? So I can do this. And I actually put Louis Vuitton website set as my home screen, so I can just tap it and go direct to the Nano page. And it's every day, one day I'm gonna get my Nano Speedy. And by the way, I really want Nano Speedy because that's also a very hot item, but let me show you. Every time I do that, it's like this. Call for availability. Alright, I'm just so excited that I bought Louis Vuitton. It's been so long I purchased anything from Louis Vuitton or any luxury good. And so I just want to share this with you guys. So happy. Let's see. Definitely share with me, did you buy any luxury good during this time? I'd love to hear from you, or tag me your purchase on Instagram, Mr. All-in-One, and I can take a look too. Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate that, and I will see you guys next week, okay? Bye. Take good care of yourself.